Hello everyone, this is Shelly, and in today's video I will be sharing the best skincare products that I have used in the year 2020. And while picking the products for this video, I select only those products that have made a difference on my skin all throughout the year. Also, unless I don't have a good alternative for each category of product, I try not to repeat any products from my previous videos because my objective is to introduce best and new products. And thirdly, while making this video, I keep one thing in mind, if you or any of your family member or friend who are in a lookout of some handful of good products and want to start off a solid skincare routine from the scratch, this video could be a good reference for them. So yeah, these are all things which I keep in mind while making this video, and I will be sharing one best product for each category of skincare, that is from cleanser, toner to moisturizer, and we do have a lot to talk on. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. And the best makeup remover, that is a balm cleanser for the year 2020, is the Banila Co Clean 80 in original, the one in pink packaging. And this balm cleanser is suitable for all skin types out there, and it effortlessly removes all kind of makeup, like even the most stubborn one, and without causing any tugging or irritation on your skin. And we all know that makeup removing, at least for me, is a daunting task, and I always end up with irritated skin. But with Banila Co, I don't have to worry about that. The entire process becomes fun and effortless. And not only this product removes your makeup completely, but at the same time it takes care of your skin because it deep cleans your pores, and therefore you will break out less. So definitely check this out if you need a product to remove your makeup or to remove your sunscreen. It's the best one out there. The best cleanser of the year 2020 is the Some by Me Snail True Cica Miracle Repair Low pH Cleanser. This cleanser is SLS free, paraben free, and it does have low pH, but I decided to pick this cleanser for this year because it actually makes a difference on your skin. If you have issue of redness or if your skin gets irritated very easily, this cleanser will help you out. Not only of mine but also my sister. My sister consider this as her holy grail cleanser, and this tube is an empty. And last month I bought a new tube for her because for her this is a must have. So the best acid exfoliator of the year 2020 is the Bivistrin Mandelic Acid 5% Skin Prep Water. Now this contains 5% of mandelic acid. Mandelic acid is the alpha hydroxy acid, and it is way gentler than the glycolic acid and lactic acid, and is suitable for all skin types out there. And I decided to select this particular acid exfoliator because it does three things for your skin. Number one, since it is an acid exfoliator, of course it's gonna get rid of the dead skin cell and reveal that smooth soft skin. And secondly, as you use it consistently, you will see that your skin gets brighter and even tone over the time. And thirdly and most importantly, it additionally calms down your skin. If you have small to medium size acne, you will see that it will flatten it down, reduce the redness and everything. But one thing I want to say, if you are a beginner or if you have dry or sensitive skin, use it only one time per week, and slowly as you see that your skin is getting used to it, you can build up the frequency up to 3 times per week. So the best toner of the year 2020, it has to be one and only Rovectin Skin Essential Activating Treatment Lotion. And I'm sure many of you must be expecting this, and I really love this product. All throughout the year I was reaching for it continuously, and this is basically your toner plus essence, and you can use it at the toner step or at the essence step. And with this in a routine, you can just layer it 2 or 3 times, use your serum if you want, and then you can directly move on to moisturizer. So it fits in well for a simple routine as well as for a really long full-fledged skincare routine. And I love it for 2 simple reasons. Firstly, because it gets rid of the dehydration just within few days of usage. If you have skin that's feel very tight and dry from inside and even oily on the surface, and no matter what you use, how much you apply, everything just sits on the top and your skin doesn't feel relieved at all. So this will help a lot with that dehydration issue. And secondly, with this in a routine, I feel that whatever I use after this, it sinks in really well and performed really well. So for these two reasons, I really love it, and I highly insist that you check out if you especially have dehydration issue. It's gonna be a savior. So the best essence of the year 2020, and I feel not just 2020 but of all time, it has to be the Cosrx Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Like, this was featured even in the year 2017, 19 and again this year. And I love this product for many reasons. This makes my skin overall healthy, and it also like slowly but definitely helps in fading off the brown acne spot, the red acne spot, and if you have that dullness and uneven skin issue, it will also help with that. So I call like this product has a food for your skin. Like, don't eat it. Like, whenever I say the word food, I'm afraid like someone out there might eat this product. Like, don't eat it, just put it on your face, use it day and night and daily, and you will definitely notice a difference. So best eye care product of this year is the A by Balm Ultra Time Return Eye Serum. This is basically your eye serum. You can use it alone if you don't have excessive dry eye area, or you can also layer it beneath your thick eye cream, something which I do. And I love this eye care product because it mainly helps in reducing the dark circle. It hydrates and soothes the eye area. Like, last year the brand gave me as a PR, and I got it over. Like, my old bottle was completely used up, and I was trying out other eye care product and nothing seems to be working. So this year I went ahead and bought the bottle for myself, and I'm already done with half of the quantity. And this really makes a difference, because without this my dark circles looked prominent, my eye area looked dull and tired. So this is definitely a must-have for me. And the best sheet mask of this year, it has to be the Benton Goodbye Redness Centella Mask Pack. So this sheet mask is loaded with the goodness of centella. It contains all the bioactive derivatives of centella along with other skin calming ingredients. So if you have like redness issue, or if your skin gets irritated very easily, put this on for 15 minutes and you will see that all the redness is gone. And if you have those tiny red zit on your face, they will also flatten out, and sometimes they even go away completely. So this literally makes a difference in 15 minutes. And also this is fragrance free, and plus it has watery consistency, so this sheet mask can safely be used by all skin types out there, and the adherence and fitting is also good. So overall, amazing sheet mask, and the best sheet mask that I have used till date. Super affordable and super amazing. So yeah, now let's move on to the next category. For the moisturizer, like, I was literally stuck in between two amazing products. One was the Innisfree Aloe Revitals Sleeping Pack, and the second one was the Lalucid Better Me Relaxing Cream with Noni Green Therapy. Both are amazing products. They both work amazingly in calming down your skin, but I had to pick only one, and I decided to go for the Lalucid Better Me Relaxing Cream with Noni Green Therapy, because I already shared the Innisfree one in my best of K Beauty below 1000. So I didn't want to repeat it over here. Coming back to this Better Me moisturizer, it contains 5% noni fruit extract, and this is rich in vitamin A, C and antioxidant. So this is why this particular moisturizer helps in fighting the free radical damage. And with the regular usage, I have seen that not only it moisturizes my skin really well, but also it adds that healthy glow on the skin, like skin that glows from within. And thirdly, like, if I had any redness or irritation, it also calmed it down. So if you have like dry and sensitive skin, definitely check this out. So the best sunscreen of this year, it has to be Innisfree Blueberry Rebalancing Watery Sunscreen with SPF 45 PA+++. And I love this sunscreen, and like, this has such lightweight texture. It literally feels like an emulsion, and it glides on so smoothly onto the skin, and it leaves that dewy hydrated finish without any white cast. Like, consistency is so amazing that I literally forget that this is 100% physical sunscreen. Every time I feel that this is a chemical sunscreen, then I go back to the ingredient list and description and I check that this is a physical sunscreen. And I always get shocked that how can a physical sunscreen has that smooth lightweight formula. So the best lip treatment product of this year, it has to be Laneige lip sleeping mask in berry. And this lip treatment product, it literally helps in treating your chapped, dry and damaged lips. And if you have that pigmented lip, it will also help in lightening of your lips and will keep your lips overall healthy. Like for this year, I was like super adamant that I'm not gonna buy this, I will try out something else. I did try out some balms here and there, but nothing worked. And as the winter came in, I was in a dire situation to get this again, because my lips without this, they started looking dark and very chapped. So that's all for this video, and all these were the best 10 products of the year 2020. And if you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my latest upload. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.